So what do you normally think of when you think of robots? You may think of a helpful, friendly maid like Rosie from the Jetsons. Or perhaps a high-tech, artificially intelligent robot sent from the past to destroy humanity. Or maybe you might think of this. But what you should be thinking of is this: Hercules, a highly advanced, customizable, remotely operated vehicle, also known as an ROV. Robots are designed to make our lives simpler, performing tasks that we either find too tedious or too dangerous to do ourselves. And what more difficult task to perform than underwater deep-sea explorations? So here are 3 robotic fun facts about the Hercules ROV that you probably didn't know. Number 1, Predator Arm. Just like the alien being that terrorized planet Earth, the Predator Arm on this ROV is a highly advanced technological masterpiece. Used to pick up, transport, and install all sorts of equipment, as well as collect biological and geological samples, the arm is incredibly dexterous and can rotate in multiple directions. Hydraulically powered, it sits across from a second manipulator arm and helps Hercules carry upwards of 250 pounds worth of samples or tools to and from the ocean floor. Number 2, remote control. If you thought your PlayStation or Xbox gaming skills couldn't be put to good use, think again. While Hercules is diving at depths of over 13,000 feet, highly skilled pilots are on board the ship controlling its every move. An incredibly intuitive remote manipulator arm enables an ROV pilot to perform the exact motions from the safety of the control room. This state-of-the-art configuration gives pilots not only full control of Hercules' arm, but also 6 of its 20 horsepower hydraulic thrusters that enable it to move at speeds of up to 2 meters per second through the water. Number 3, lights, camera, action. What good would all these high-tech features be if you couldn't share their discoveries with the world? Much like your favorite music or movie star, Hercules is always ready for the spotlight. Equipped with a high-definition, front-facing video camera, along with 6 other video cameras and a still cam capturing visuals from multiple locations, Hercules' TikTok content capabilities are next level. In addition to its camera game, it's also loaded with high-powered front-facing deep-sea LED lights and up to 12 other fully configurable LEDs along its frame. These cameras and lights enable Hercules to capture some of the most amazing visuals of underwater geological activity like hydrothermal vents, rarely seen deep water species like the 6-gilled shark and the vampire squid, as well as newly discovered shipwrecks. Footage that is giving scientists a better understanding of the geological makeup of the ocean, the wildlife that inhabits it, and clues to how we can better protect these fragile ocean ecosystems. So next time you think of a robot, think more than just your Roomba at home or the AI beings that we see in movies. Think deeper than the rovers that we're sending to Mars to discover new life. Because there's a whole world right below us that makes up over 70% of the planet and contains some of the most alien-looking beings that we could possibly ever hope to find. And we're going to need more robots that look just like Hercules, or better, made by people that look just like you, to discover them. I'm the Hip Hop MD. This is Hip Hop Science, reminding you that curiosity is nature's PhD. Never stop asking.